This is our first chapter through the AutoCAD interface. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the AutoCAD screen and how to interact with AutoCAD. Well, after you launch the program, the AutoCAD window displays a blank default document named Drawing 1 DWG, as you can see it here. Now, the AutoCAD program window is divided into 11 parts. The first part is the application menu. This red icon here you can see. The second part is quick access toolbar. This one, as you can see, this part here. The third part is the info center. The info center can be seen here, this place here. The fourth part is the ribbon. The ribbon is this place here. We also have the drawing area. The drawing area is this big blank space where you press your drawings. We also have the UCS icon, which is an abbreviation for user coordinate system. This one here. We also have the viewport controls. These three parts here. These are the viewport controls. We also have the view cube. The view cube is this one here. We also have the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar, this one here. We also have command windows. The command window is this place here, this plus down here. And the last part, the status bar. The status bar is this place down here at the bottom of your screen. Now let us check about the application menu. The red AutoCAD icon displays the application menu, which offers tools to help you manage AutoCAD files. Let's try to see how it works. First, click the application menu icon. As you can see, a list of options appears. Now, move over the cursor. Scroll down the list of options in the left column. As you highlight the options, additional options appear in a column to the right. As you can see here, as we highlight the options, additional options appear. For example, if you highlight the export option, you see the various formats available for export. Like that. Well, the application menu also gives you a convenient way to find the recent used files or to get to a file you already have open. If you move your cursor away from the list of options to the left side in the application menu, you see recent documents in the upper left portion of the menu. Here, as you can see, it's called recent documents, and the other icon is the open documents icon. This one here, it says open documents. The open document option lets you quickly change from one open file to another when you are viewing your files full screen. And also the recent document option displays a list of documents on which you have recently worked. Now let's see how to use the ribbon. The other important feature in AutoCAD window is the ribbon. As I said, the ribbon is this part here. This is where you will be selecting tools to draw, edit, or perform other functions. The ribbon has a set of panels representing a group of tools and features. This one here, these are the tools and features such as line, polyline, cycle, arc, etc. Insert, annotation, layout, parametric, all these ones you see here. These are the tabs that organize the ribbons. If you click on a tab, it leads you to its ribbon panel. For example, try to click on the Insert tab. See, its ribbon panel appears. Now click the Annotation tab, and its ribbon panel appears. Down the ribbon panel, a ribbon panel title bars. Let's go back to home. As you can see down the ribbon panel title bars, these ones here. You can see there's a draw title bar, modify, layers, rotation blocks, and all these ones. Each tool in the ribbon offers a tooltip and a cue card that provides a short description to help you understand what the tool icon represents. For example, move the cursor on the polyline tool and see that its cue card appears with a set of description. As you can see there, a cue card appears with a set of description. Also from the cue card, we can see the keyboard command equivalent. In this case of the polyline, the command is written as P-line in capital letters. You can type that. You can type that direct in the keyboard if you don't want to access the command from the ribbon panel. In most cases, you will be able to tell what each tool does by looking at its icon. The icon with an arc in the ribbon panel, for instance, indicates that the tool draws arcs. But as a new user, you will find these tools useful because they show the name of the tool and briefs you on how to use it. Now let's see another thing about expanding panels. Apart from the visible tools, there are buttons that are hidden from view. You can expand many of the ribbon panels to select more of them. You can expand the ribbon panel by clicking on the panel title bar with an arrowhead to the right of a panel. For example, click on the draw panel title bar, this one here, and there additional tools are displayed. If you want to expand the panel to remain sticky, then click on the push pin icon at the left bottom of the expand panel. This is the push pin here. And as you can see, I just clicked the push pin icon and now the expanded panel remains there. To remove it, click again on the push pin icon and move the cursor away to see the expanded panel disappear. There, as you see, it disappears. Now let's understand flyouts. Flyouts are similar to the expanded panels because you can click on arrowhead to gain access to additional tools. However, flyouts give access to different methods using a particular tool. For example, AUTOCAD lets you draw circles in several ways, so it offers a flyout for the circle tool in the Home tab draw panel. If you click the arrowhead below the circle tool in the draw panel, you will see additional tools for drawing circles, and the additional tools are displayed. If you select a tool options from a flyout, that option becomes the default tool for the icon. For example, from the cycle flyout, click 2 point. Then as you can see, the 2 point becomes the default tool